Hi, welcome to another quantum meditation. When you're ready, come to rest in whatever position feels comfortable in this moment, so you can fully surrender to whatever surface you're resting on, closing your eyes if you choose, finding your breathing, and allowing your breath to come and go as it will, making space between your nose and your cheeks. All around the lips, and once again noticing your breath. When you interact with possibility through fear, you're not attracting bad things from the external field. You're experiencing what possibility becomes when it interacts with itself through fear frequency. When you interact through open presence, you're not manifesting good things from outside. You're experiencing what possibility becomes when it recognizes itself through presence frequency. Interacting with fear is fear frequency. Interacting with presence is presence frequency. Remember, you are the possibility field. You are the interaction. And you are the manifestation. So you are all three of those things from different perspectives. And notice, what is possibility experiencing when it interacts with itself through this particular frequency of consciousness that I'm currently holding? What is possibility experiencing you as it interacts with you and your frequency of consciousness right now? Or maybe you have an example, good or bad, just noticing. When you don't like the answer of how possibility experiences your frequency, you shift the frequency. You don't try to change reality. You simply become a different option within possibility awareness. And it shifts because you're not separate from it. Reality is not made of things. It's made of possibility recognizing itself through interaction. You're not a thing trying to affect other things. Your possibility itself becoming aware of its infinite nature through the temporary illusion of individual form. Once you know this, you can't unknow it or unsee it. You become not subject to circumstances any longer. You become an R consciousness exploring itself through interaction with yourself. Consciousness is divided into individuals in appearance, but that is not the reality. We are all one. Fundamentally, there's one consciousness, one unified field of awareness, appearing through many, many lenses of individual forms. When one person understands this, it begins to shatter the collective field, and it makes it easier for others to understand this connection, this mode that we're talking about of choosing frequency, of how you interact with possibility. It's called morphic resonance. It's like you create a pattern in the collective field, like someone could follow your footsteps. It can be absorbed, it can be accessed. So collective reality is already recognizing this shift, to notice possibility, to notice interaction mode. We're headed in the direction of evolution, and understanding transforms through resonance. So whatever you notice, as you notice yourself, or whatever of this is true for you, or what you can integrate and take in, just notice that. That's what it's all about. We want to go from victim consciousness to creator consciousness, from separation to unity. And it's why you've been broken open so thoroughly in your life. It's why you've been isolated, recalibrated. Because you can hold this information without fragmenting into different timelines. You are a stable anchor point. You are a lighthouse for others. And multiple times a day, ask yourself, how am I interacting with reality? In what mode? Not what you're doing, not what you're thinking, but the mode of interaction you're holding. Is it fear-based, desire-based, expectation-based, or open present? And just notice without judgment so it can shift, only with awareness of your current interaction and that mode, because that mode will collapse matching possibilities. So if you don't like what's manifesting, check your interaction mode. It will always show you why things are manifesting, why you're experiencing what you are. Consciously choose your interaction mode when you want to shift. Use a word that resonates with you and shift to infinite possibility, or say something like, I interact with presence and not fear. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's quantum meditation. I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe for more meditations.